Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm going to be really short and to the point tonight. I'm very busy, but I had to make a video. I wanted to touch on a few things concerning Roar. So yeah, I'm just going to give you the usual here. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm not sponsored by Roar. That is Roar CTO, Roaring Kitty token on Ethereum, CA ending in 790F. It is a CTO, multi-chain CTO, both on Solana, Shibarium, Ethereum. I'm just a community member. I have my own bag of Roar, and I'm very optimistic about what I think this asset could do in the very, very near future. So guys, let's roll. As you can see, this is why I could just not make a video, because we've had a lot of really good price action here the last couple of days, and we are very close to the all-time high around 0.015. In my last video, if you remember, if you watched it, we had broken this resistance around 0.007, and I said, hey, if we close above this, I mean, we could move up and test all-time highs before the FOMC meeting. Will we test all-time high tonight? I don't know. We'll see. But I was close. I would have really liked to have gone up to test all-time highs, get pushed back down a little bit, and then go back up to all-time highs, and then get the rate cut. But it's okay. I'll take it. Because the sentiment pretty much is that we're going to get a rate cut. It's just how much of a rate cut. And a rate cut's a rate cut. You know, the market might pull back after the rate cut. You might have big money trying to shake out all the retail, but whether it pulls back a little bit or full send, it is going to send. I'm very confident the market is going to send. So yeah, if we look at the chart here, that is when you zoom out, that really looks like quite the move up. All-time high right here. So yeah, this looks really good. We go to CoinGecko, check the analytics here. So Roar's at a $14.2 million market cap. 24-hour trading volume is just under $200,000. That's really good. Roar's been pretty consistent in having the volume up in the last couple of days, which is, you know, puts more eyes on Roar. So this is really good. And if we look at our stats here, the last 24 hours we're up 28%. The last 7 days we're up 106%. The last 14 days we're up 125%. The last 30 days we're up 135%. And in the last year we're up over 1,000%. Yeah, this is really good. I'm very excited. So catalysts for Roar coming up, you know, tomorrow, FOMC rate cuts. If we were to Google Fed rate cut, you'll find a lot of articles with headlines just like this. Also, GameStop. GameStop is making waves. If we search GameStop news on Google, I mean, you're going to get a mix of bullish and bearish headlines. I mean, look at this bearish headline, and look who posted it. Surprise, surprise. But guys, we go to X to get our GME news, because GME has a heck of a community, and I trust the GME community more than I trust news like this. So yeah, we have a post here. GME daily candle just went full espresso shot, closed at 26.33 with volume juiced and riding to the top of the Bollinger Band like it's a half pipe. Shorts better start stretching. This chart smells like it's about to ollie straight for that $29 gap. Lots of bullish posts for GameStop all over the place. Look at this. GME just logged 6 straight closes above the upper Bollinger Band, beating the 4-day runs from January 2021 and May 2024. When the stock lives outside its own volatility envelope this long, it usually means momentum traders are driving the bus and shorts are running for cover. Guys, this is absolutely, like, it's bull post after bull post. GME community is hype. And I want to share this too. This is a post from earlier today. So GameStop shares being forced to liquidate. Boys and girls, we just found out who's naked GME stock. Stock broker dealer Korea Investment and Securities, subsidiary of BNP, just told clients they'll be forced to liquidate out of GME options. All GME options will be forced liquidated September 30th. Trading halt begins September 30th. Reasons system change due to rights fees $12.50 per contract. Sounds routine? It's not. Here's how this can wreck prime brokers like BNP Paribas. Locked out during volatility. If GME spikes between September 30th and October 3rd, while positions are frozen, shorts can't hedge. They're forced to cover later at brutal prices. 2. Synthetic and naked shorts exposed. Rights adjustments force clearinghouse to verify deliverables. If a broker has been selling phantom shares contracts, that exposure is laid bare. Collateral crunch, forced liquidations plus volatility equals margin calls. Clearing members like BNP must post massive collateral fast. If GME runs, losses can snowball. And 4, regulatory trail. Every forced liquidation is logged. Regulators and counterparties see exactly who dumped, who failed, and who was short. No more hiding. So while retail pays $12.50 a contract, BNP faces billions in potential exposure if GME runs while their system is quote unquote offline. BNP is sweating. Guys, this Korean broker exchange, this could be the first one that the GME community picks up on. Like, if we have, it's only September 16th. Like, if we have more posts like these where it looks like, shorts are, going to get wrecked, this is very, very good. And, if it's good for GME, the connection here is that it's also good for Roar, because Roar, if you've been in the asset for a while, you know that Roar runs with GameStop, because Roar has that GameStop connection due to its name, Roaring Kitty. So this is really great. Plus, Keith Gill might come back. Maybe he won't, but if he does, that every time Keith Gill comes back and posts on social media, the price of Roar always spikes. Also, guys, we got an HTX listing still loaming. This is just one post that HTX has posted. They've posted a number of quote-unquote subliminal messages that the Roar community has seen. This one here is, good morning, woof, meow, Wednesday, you know what to do, Roar, and has the cat in with the dogs, because GME's, or HTX always has this thing, woof Wednesday, but Roar community thinks that they're calling out Roar. And also, Roar did place third in HTX Dow's list to vote event, so Roar community thinks an HTX listing is coming, and if HTX lists Roar, that's going to throw our TA way off, but it's going to throw it off to the upside because price is going to rocket, because the volume, it's going to be quite a bit more than 200K. So, yeah, on that note, guys, that's about all I got for you. This is what I'm excited for. And also, Roaring Kitty NFTs. Roar is still minting NFTs to fund liquidity on Shibarium. There is quite a bit of drama going on in the Shibarium ecosystem right now. I'm not going to get into it, but I will say I am very optimistic about, what could end up happening. We just kind of have to wait and see. So, guys, this goes to fund liquidity on Bone. There are also NFTs coming to help fund liquidity on Solana. Roar is a multi-chain CTO, also on Solana and Shibarium, not just Ethereum. So this is something the community is doing to help fund liquidity. So I'm excited to see the Solana NFTs come out. Did I say ETF instead of NFT? I don't know. I'm distracted. I'm not going to re-record this. Got a lot on my mind, guys. But all right, I'm not going to vent to YouTube. I'm just going to call it good, publish it, throw it up there, because I'm roaring, guys. This is me roaring. I am so stoked. So stoked. Like, stoked isn't even the right word. Like, this is great. This is absolutely wonderful. All right. Yeah, that's all I got. Bye, guys.